do have massive conflict of interest with managed repair programs. Doesn't it make insurance companies contractors? That's the question.
My answer is yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, especially if it's on the policyholder to prove up that they paid their deductible up front, and if the insurance company is going to try to bring in a preferred vendor to do the work, why wouldn't they be held to the same standard? Because oftentimes they're not. But I think this goes back to two very simple concepts. One, insurance companies are profit driven, and if they're hiring a contractor to go out and perform the scope of work, I mean, there's zero likelihood that it's going to be a full scope of repair, and the quality is going to decline, period. The other is historic. Humanity has made mistakes in the past, and for whatever reason, humanity likes to erase the signs and the signals to not repeat itself. We take down statues. We've gone down this road before. It failed. Why the hell would we resurrect it? Steve?
Once again, every action has a reaction. For 100 and something years, every insurance policy has had a provision that gives the insurance company the right to repair the damage. That's under the standard valuation clause of almost every insurance company, every insurance policy. They can pay the ACV and go home, they can pay the RCV based on the cost of repair, or they can fix the damage. Insurance companies do not want to be contractors. It was seldom ever invoked. They've always had the right, but they didn't do it because they wanted to allow the building owner to choose their own contractor and fix the damage themselves. However, because the abuses have been so great, the insurance companies have said that, you know what, we'd rather set up a managed repair program or a preferred contractor program and take on the risk of becoming a contractor. I know that's the argument that's made, and put on the roofs ourselves or through these programs. In a perfect world, I would absolutely prefer to have the building owner choose their contractor. But because of the abuses, we are seeing more and more managed repair programs, preferred contractor programs coming. And I'm sorry, but if you don't like it, tell your cohorts in the industry to quit trying to screw insurance companies, all right? Because that's why it's coming.